Your friend says, "Aku tertidur." Did they choose to fall asleep? No. Then someone says, "Gunung ini yang tertinggi di Jawa." Wait, the same prefix? How can ter mean both accidentally and the most? That's today's mystery. We're going to investigate why does ter seem to have multiple personalities. English often creates different words. Indonesian frequently reuses the same prefix for related ideas. Instead of memorizing definitions, let's look for the underlying logic. Here are examples for unexpected or unintentional. The verb tertidur, terjatuh, terlambat, terbuka. The event happened, but it wasn't fully intentional. Aku tidak sengaja, aku terjatuh. Sometimes ter simply describes the condition resulting from an action. Pintunya terbuka. The door is open. Not necessarily because someone is opening it right now, it simply is open. Now let's see the superlative, the highest degree. Here are some verbs. Terbesar, the biggest. Terbaik, the best. Tercantik, the most beautiful. Tercepat, the fastest. Here, ter marks the extreme end of a scale. The biggest, the best, the most beautiful, the fastest. Think of ter as pointing to an end point. Sometimes the end point is an unexpected event. Sometimes it's a completed state. Sometimes it's the highest point on a scale. Different meanings, one central idea. The most common mistake learner makes is confusing terbaik with baik sekali. Both express something positive, but terbaik specifically means the best. Okay, let's practice. Translate this. I accidentally fell. This is the biggest city. The window is open. Listen to this mini dialogue.
Kenapa kamu terlambat?
Maaf, aku tertidur.
Which word means the most beautiful? A. Cantik. B. Tercantik. Yes, it's B. Tercantik. Tercantik. Today you learned that ter can express accidental actions, resulting states, and superlatives. And beneath those meanings lies one elegant idea, reaching an end point. Congratulations! You've just completed the most technical module of the Indonesian Language Lab. But you've also unlocked one of the biggest secrets of Indonesian. Words aren't random. They are built. Once you recognize base words and understand how affixes reshape them, thousands of new words become easier to understand. Next, we're leaving grammar behind and stepping into something just as important. People. How do you choose the right pronoun? When should you say pa, bu, ka, or mas? And why can the wrong choice make you sound unintentionally rude?